Hey guys, my name is Anne from nutsfromhealth.com. Welcome to my wildcrafted green formula review. I'm going to be reviewing right now this product and what exactly it does, who it's good for, and what other things, the pros, the cons, and what to expect from it. So let's get to it. The green formula, what it does, it's a nutrient-based nutrient-packed formula that gives you lots of energy, helps you lose weight, and the benefits include where you stay full for at least 5 hours without needing to eat or feel hungry. It also helps reduce wrinkles and strengthens blood vessel walls, and it contains over 40 nutritious packed herbs and leaves. What the ingredient, it has over 43 herbs included in this formula, and they're all organic or wild crafted. And this formula, this green formula, it's the one who decided to make it. He uses it himself, so he started by using it himself to get the benefits from the plants, from the herbs, and then after now he got such good results, he decided that he's going to share it with the public. So it has over 43 herbs, so I'm just going to touch on a few, then you can see exactly what it does, because when you drink it, you don't even have a formula for doing it, just water and all that. So let me start. It has something called plantain, a very common green leaf weed found worldwide that's popular as a healer of wounds and injuries. It's a body purifier, congestion aid, neutralizer of poison and toxic element. It protects mucous membranes from inflammation, calms down muscle contractions in conditions like asthma, colic, stomach aches. Used to help eyes, heart condition, cholesterol, lower blood pressure. And this product, you don't plantain herb, you don't use it if you are prone to clots or you are on blood thinners. And it contains over 18 amino acids, and it is also used as a pain reliever, anti-inflammatory, and lymph tonic. We got kudzo leaf, maybe I'm butchering the name, but it's okay. It has over 100 times more antioxidant than vitamin E. It relaxes the vessels, a detox agent to clean the body of toxins, while also lowering the desire for alcohol. This product has been known to help people who have alcohol addiction. It's very good for that, and used in tumor prevention because it blocks the formation of tumor feeding blood vessels, said to be good for the spleen, the stomach, and help in ringing in the ears. So we also have moringa leaf, which is also very known to be very good for vitamin C, magnesium, calcium, for viruses. It also controls your glucose levels, better sleep, increased breast milk, anxiety, liver, kidney, stomach inflammation, colon inflammation, even cancers. If you have cancers, it helps with that. High blood pressure, arthritis, rheumatism, migraines, detoxification. Used to disinfect questionable water from bacteria. No reported side effects. It has kale, which is one common vegetable that people eat. One of the powerhouse high protein greens that rich in everything, including iron, calcium, magnesium, endless vitamins, enzymes, and minerals. Okay, then we have chickweed. Most people think it's an obnoxious weed, but it tastes good and is good for you. Chickweed is one of the most bronchial decongestants. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce inflammation, lungs, bowels, and stomach. This is very good if you have any viral infection. This will also help the whole product. But when you have, especially the chickweed, especially now that this product has that, it's amazing. Then we have something called burdock root, very good for the liver. It cleans the liver. It helps you clean the liver, rebuild your blood, feed probiotics. It's a good inflammatory, antibacterial, antifungal, anti-tumor, a strong liver purifier and detoxifier, and a blood cleanser. It You see, it has so many properties or benefits. Then we have these other ones. We have these other ones here. Oh, my screen has decided to malfunction. I apologize for that. Give me a few seconds. Ooh. Okay, so we have other things like amla berry, the highest sources of natural vitamin C. We have ginkgo biloba, which is very good for brain function. We have spinach, very high in iron. We have licorice root, that's also very good in it's good in for people also who suffer from migraines, antiviral also. We have wheatgrass, we have chicory root, we have purslane. It has got good properties of omega-3 especially, and has a little bit omega-6 and omega-9, very good for brain function as well. Then we have the pros. I will have a blog written all about green formula, what it has, the pros, the cons, everything in more details, especially the ingredients of what is in it. Then you can go through them and decide if it's something that you want to learn more about. Then it's up to you. Okay, then we have the pros of this product. There are so many. I just listed just a few. It helps dissolve cholesterol, it improves digestion, and it helps cleanse and detoxify the body. It reduces wrinkles, strengthens the blood vessels walls, it supports energy, vitality, helps with weight loss, good meal replacement, because you can have this and for 5 hours you're set, as in you don't have to think about food all the time. If you're a very busy person and yet you're getting your nutrients, it's a good meal replacement and source of vitamin B complex A, C, E, G, and K. Small amounts can be tested on children and pets, but even children, if you have children, you can give them. It doesn't have really bad side effects, but you just obviously start slowly, because these leaves or vegetables are very, very strong. Not strong that they're going to make you feel bad, but just so powerful, because you know it's even advised not to take it at night, because it will keep you awake and give you loads of energy. Then we have the cons. The only known disadvantage is it is slightly pricey, but buying in bulk will ease the cost. You need to take it for at least 1 month to see serious results, because if you're not into feeling healthy, then I bet this is not for you. Who should buy this cleanse? Those who want to have more energy, don't have the time to outsource all the minerals from different sources, and want easy access to all the nutrients all in one go. Good for very critically ill patients, and those who also want to lose weight, and anyone who is a health conscious individual who wants maximum energy, vitality, and just want to feel good in general all the time. So this is the product for you. Does it really work? Yes, it does. There are testimonials of people. When you decide this is a product for you, you can check the testimonials, and I'll also tell you about my story about using this product. It has helped those who are addicted to alcohol curb their addiction long term. Reports of increased energy and mental clarity are experienced. It helps others with painful periods. So you'll click the link below to get more details on the green formula, and I'll tell you that just using this product has made me feel so amazing. Especially, I think that the thing that has helped me in it, the chickweed, the ginkgo biloba. There's so many others, but it gives you so much energy. You're so happy, and especially with me who suffers from migraine, this really, really, really helps. And yeah, I want to say thank you for watching my Wild Force Green Formula review. If you want to learn more about the green Wild Force, or you want to purchase, you just click in the link below. And yes, thanks for watching. Bye.